The Program Visualization System, or PV, is a research prototype of an integrated graphics programming environment. PV aids the programmer in writing, debugging, and documenting software. This progress report demonstrates some of the parts of PV that have been developed to date. The present implementation uses 3 medium-resolution color displays. The right-hand screen is used for menus. The center screen is used for multiple overlapping windows. And the left screen is used for spatial navigational aids. The graphical menu of command choices has been organized using the concept of index cards. There are 3 sets of cards. The first set controls both programs and visualization binding tables. These binding tables allow PV to display animated views of running programs. The second set of cards controls the graphics editor for entire diagrams, both static and animated, objects, connectors, and other specialized components of visualizations, and a variety of text fonts. The third set of cards controls windows, grids, and a number of utilities such as the Help button. The index card format provides a strong organization for the large command set that is necessary in an integrated programming environment. Graphic symbols guide the eye to each card and help distinguish between them. The programmer selects commands from the menu by positioning a cursor over the desired command. He positions the cursor by moving a puck on a data tablet. Views of the program under development are presented on the center screen in windows which may be overlapped. A menu command allows the window to be brought to the foreground. The left screen is used for maps of the software information space called navigational aids or NavAids. NavAids help the user maintain his orientation in the information space and allow spatial access to information, as we will see. There are 4 different NavAids. The first 3 are System Requirements, System Structure, and Evolution or Configuration Control. These NavAids organize the information about a particular project. A 4th NavAid, the Library, guides the user through the programming and graphics components that are shared by all PV users. Here, the user is looking at a System Structure NavAid. The diagram is composed of objects representing modules and their interfaces. This is the top-level structure diagram of CCA's multi-base project. The user can zoom into any of the objects to see more detail about the corresponding module. Here, he chooses the Logical Database Processor module. This process can be repeated until reaching the most detailed level, which is the actual source code for the object. The user has exercised an option to put the result of the zoom in a new window, so he can see both the structure diagram and code at the same time. The user finds he needs to write a small sort subroutine. He makes a window for the visualization associated with this module. The PV graphics editor allows users to specify graphics interactively, but in most cases the programmer will use the PV library. The user cycles the NavAid stack, bringing the library NavAid to the top. Here is a selection of nodes in the library. The programmer has decided to use a one-dimensional array to hold the set of integers to be sorted, and he goes to the appropriate node. This node forms a special group called a cluster, a set of related components of different types. The user zooms in on the graphic template for the one-dimensional array. He makes a new window for it on the center display. Using the General Purpose Copy button, the user makes 2 copies of the array template in the graphics window. The user now fills the slots in the array templates with the name of each array, shown in white, and the name of its index, shown in gold. As each slot is filled, its outline disappears. Recall that the library clusters for arrays contain templates for graphics and code. While all templates can be accessed by zooming, as we saw before, the system also provides a command to automatically access code templates once the graphics are defined.